Okay, you guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this bracelet, and then after that I'm going to show you in this minute actually how to put it on the clasp. Okay, we're going to begin now. Okay, then I'm gonna put it through here. Let me see if I can get through it. Okay. Doesn't want to work with me at all. Put it like this. Now I'm gonna hold it and see if I can do that. Let me see. Yep, holding it. Okay, maybe at the end, like so. Now right here we're going to put it on. I'm gonna put it on right here, the clasp. And then I'm going to close it. See if I can do that. It's really hard for me to see. Like you guys know, I am very old, and it's really hard for me to actually see how to do anything at this point, but I'm trying my best to show you guys what I just learned. Okay, so hopefully I can make it. Let me see if I can make it. Okay, what is it? What is it? What is it? You know what? This thing is turning around on me. I cannot believe it. Actually, it's turning around on me. Let's see. It looks like a grape. A grape. Yep, a grape. All right. Try to close it like so. Okay. Now we're going to do the other one. But for this one, we're going to try to open one of these part of the chain. This part right here. Let me see if I can see what is the part that it has the, how do you call it? Close. What did it closes? Okay, looks like it's this part right here. Let's see if I can open it. Yep, it was that one. Okay, right there we're gonna put one of these circle things, and well, we gotta open that thing to put it on the, actually no, I'm gonna put right here the little one, this little thingy. Let me see, looks like belt or something, metal belt, whatever. So I'm gonna close it, and then actually we're gonna put the other how do you call it at this point? I don't even remember how do you call it. 3 in the morning, man. 3 in the morning. My brain is frozen. All right, looks like it's closed. So I'm gonna put this ring thing into the other one. Let me see if I can open it like that. Let me see. Yep, you can actually open it like so. Then we're gonna put this other end in it like so. Oopsie daisy, it ain't wanna work with me at all. I can put it right here. Okay, it's in it. Now we're going to look for the other side. And this loop right here, we're going to try to put it in. See if it went through. Yep. Now we're going to try to close it without breaking the beads. Okay, let's see if I can grab it very carefully. Okay, got it. I'm going to close it like so. I always go like this, make sure it's actually closed. So it looks like, so hopefully it is. All right, and it looks like that. Now we are going to, let me see. You know what? I have a friend that I made bracelets for her, and she says that it is really hard for her to put it on. Let me take off my watch so I can show you what she says. Well, she told me that it is really hard for her to put it on a bracelet herself. So I was wondering how people put it on these bracelets, you know? Because actually to do this little clasp here, for me, it's like almost impossible. I wonder how people do that. If, people have this kind of clasp, how to put it on. I wonder. Let me see. How are you going to open this one with one hand? Let me see. How are you able to put it on? See how hard it is? So I'm trying to do that so I can explain to you guys. The reason I'm using the clasp like that is to show you guys how hard it is for people to do that. But obviously some people have help to put it on the bracelet, right? So it looks like that. Oopsie daisy, look at my skin, is so old and ugly. Look at my watch. Put this thing right here. Actually the watch is really cool. See, I love my watch. It's really, really big, and it have all kind of stuff in it. See, you turn it right here, and it shows you. It jumps sometimes. Has this thing, and this one, and this one. Look at that. It's really cool. I love my watch. If you know how to use it, each one of those things is really usable. Look. That one, that one, that one, that one. See? Oh, there's the last one. Okay, go back. See? That one. If you go just one at a time, you can see everything that thing has. See? I use this one because I just like to see what day it is and what time it is and everything. Actually, it's not 3 in the morning. See? It's 4:50 almost. 5 o'clock. So, yeah, I'm tired. I've been doing that all night. So, anyway, pretty watch, huh? So, anyway, the bracelet looks like that. So, I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Okay, this bracelet alone is 5.5 inches, and with the chain is almost, no, actually with the whole clasp, if you measure it like that, it's like 8 inches total, okay? But just the body of the bracelet is like 5 inches, okay? Okay, well, thank you very much for watching my videos, and will you please not forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to my channels. I really appreciate that so much. Very, very sorry for my old ugly skin. Okay, looks like that. You can put it as close as you can. Let me measure it so I can tell you guys the size. Okay, hold on.